How do you feel, Alan?
Bro, I feel like I'm in fucking...
You can fucking fly,
bro! Let's shoot! Let's go!
I'm on a fucking king. Nathan, fuck you for not being here, New Zealand. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh.
It's very hot. Is it?
Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, give it a hit.
Boys, you know what we're working on today? Guess, before I show you. We're working on the S63 AMG, cuz. So what we're going to do today, you can see over there, slight sneak peek, I'll show you. And I'll let the big boss, look how he's dressed. Fuck, he hasn't slept in a few days. At Dubhaus, look at him, trying to get all these customers' cars out and ready to go. And what are we working on? What are we doing to this S63 today, Omar?
We're debadging it.
Is that all?
That's it.
With this box?
Yep.
That's the back off. We're actually doing an exhaust for the S63.
We're straight piping it, making a bank sound spec. Everyone's got to hear you coming down. If they can't hear you, you've wasted your money.
So Omar, look at the packaging of this quality. See? Struggling. How's your finger skills? Oh, is that big? Is it thick enough?
Not big enough. Not big enough.
Oh, also, as you guys can see, we've got a special car on Omar's left. Omar, what's happening to this beast of a car over here?
We're putting underglows on it. We're adding chrome. We're putting spinners on the wheels. And yeah, you're gonna see a lot happening to that car. So as you see, we only work on fucking supercars. Lambos, S-classes, no Subarus, no fucking WRX shit boxes.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oi, don't say that. That's not true.
Kasema. So as you can see, there's a stock exhaust on this X63. Yeah, it's quite soft, I'll be honest with you. But what Omar's doing here, look at him struggling. No one's helping him. He was showing us, you know, how he's a one-man team, one-man army. So what's this over here?
Chicken balls.
See, at Dubhaus? Oh, very sticky, these balls. Why are these balls so sticky? Oh. Say, ah!
What the fuck?
See? At Dubhaus, we feed the boss, so the boss feeds us.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh.
It's very hot. Is it?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Can't put fucking through. Shout out to Vietnam. They make sriracha. Truck mong na moi.
Very cultured in Dubhaus. Multicultural. So Omar, how many decibels do you reckon this exhaust is going to
We'll measure it to make sure that it lines up with the
Australian
rules
law
and regulation, because we're law-abiding citizens here.
Exactly.
Everything's by the book. We don't like to mess with cops. We don't like to mess with the government. They're all our friends. We love cops.
Run us through it. What's happening?
So this is another part of basically what we're doing to this S63. And since none of us have lives outside of work, what time is it right now?
Show us.
It is. Let me just get rid of all the girls messaging me.
I am aware of the effect I have on women.
Oh, all the
Mrs.
baddies.
doesn't see it.
Okay.
It's 6:41 right now. So
AM or PM?
PM. So basically, usually people go home, they rest, they meet their families, they have dinner, they take a shower and stuff. We start work now. Just because we were so overbooked, what can we do? This car needs to be done, and this is the next stage basically. So good luck to us.
We only have the best tools at Dubhaus, as you can see.
The breaker bar attached to a breaker bar.
Like all you need to just lose it and then start to change it.
As you can see, Sai supervising from far, driving from the back. You know what they say?
The 5-wheel drive.
You're a backseat driver. You know what that means? You sit in the back and tell us what direction to go in.
Ah, that's what you call it.
Yeah, backseat driver. So.
We can't show you Sai at the moment because he actually doesn't have a.
No, you know what?
visa.
Show Sai. Show Sai. Can't go anywhere. Here.
So we can't show Sai because he's an illegal immigrant.
Yeah, he's worried about the China regime regiment getting him, so we have to hide him.
As you can see, where's Nathan?
Nathan's
Sacked. Snowboarding in New Zealand.
hitting the slopes.
I reckon.
He must be earning a lot of money at Dubhaus to be going on holidays.
Yeah, he completely is not spent nothing. He's out in New Zealand 2 weeks. 2 fucking weeks. He's on holiday. Where look at our hands, and Nathan's out there snowboarding, having fun. Life's not fair. Life's not fair. Look what we have to go through for you guys. Fuck the screwdriver. Just hold it.
Oh, it's behind Sai's head.
Watch out of the way because I really don't know how this is gonna come.
Sai, the screwdriver's there.
Ooh, okay.
Kepo's gonna point you up.
Yeah.
Papi Monenio.
Chupa.
Close. Come on, Omar.
Ah, fuck the hell.
Where's the Egyptian power?
He is the
Yeah, how'd you even move the stones? Move the pyramids.
Fucking hell. Man.
2 tons of stone, and you guys decided how to take it off.
Look at Hercules right there.
Stopping.
I'm gonna fucking pass out.
fucking tighter than a nun's cunt.
Oh, fucking hell. That's fucked.
You alright, Omar?
You pick one out first. No, Omar, you gotta.
Yeah, I'm dropping.
But don't twist it. Okay, it's time for us to start a car, yeah?
Is it bad? Yeah, because of the.
Now,
That's what we're doing.
should I come out first? Because I don't have to hold anything in here.
No, hold on. I have to try. Man, I need this tool. Fuck. Sounds gonna go flying.
So yeah, here's Omar back in his natural element.
What's that
Sorry?
element, bro? This is fucked. Why do we do this?
So that's a stock exhaust.
Look at our exhaust hanger removal tool. Yeah, cut it, mom.
No, but cut this mom was cut it in here, start bending.
Bro, you don't need to go in that much.
No, this thing needs to go into here.
So we've got an engineer with a
Yeah, but so a little bit this way will not kill anyone.
You won't kill anyone by hitting something on the back.
I don't think so. Torque the spec. Alright, move out of my way. I'm on a fucking killing spree. Nathan, fuck you for not being here. New Zealand.
Oh, watch your fingers.
I didn't push, only
would've
lifting it up.
So fucking tight.
Angle that you're holding.
yeah, it's an angle. It's always like that. With me, I don't like thingies.
Me, I think we should have put that on first.
Yeah, I think so too.
No, it's alright.
The
Nathan's
next
not
one
here.
we're gonna do that.
Push.
I can't push.
Yeah, it's not big enough to go in.
Just don't press so hard because else it will snap in our face.
It's not even moving.
Yeah, that's it. Yes! In, yep, ready.
More
Out.
in.
Yeah, that's it, perfect.
Hanger perfect.
So easy. So what we have here is the new ending of this exhaust. Nearly done. After all these fabrication we had to do. So the exhaust came in too long, so we had to cut it shorter. And yeah. Besides that, it's alright. Well, hopefully it sounds good. Once it's all installed, we'll give it a go. Give it a bit of a crackle. We're near the finish of this exhaust. It's looking pretty.
Where are you going? Get
Oh.
behind you.
Oh,
Watch
sorry.
your head.
Sorry. It's looking pretty good, boys. Full stainless steel exhaust, as you can see. As you can see, the fucking exhaust is in, boys. So what we're gonna hear now is basically the straight pipe S63, no, C63, no, S63. Alright, of these stainless steel bad boys, twin stainless steel bad boys. You know what these are gonna produce? 10 extra horsepower. You know what that gives you? That gives you sound. And you know what sound does? Sound gives you power. And you know what power gives you? It gives you women. And that's all that matters. That's what this car is literally built upon. Getting women. That's the main priority of this car. RGB light, low glows, exhaust. What else do you need?
This guy's gonna get wiped on Brooklyn.
Bro, too easy. Whoever owns this car, bro, game over. I'm telling you.
First night out.
First night out, mate. Straight Crown Hotel, valet parking, bro.
Very nice.
How do you feel, Alan?
Bro, I feel like I'm in fucking...
You can fucking fly,
Bro, let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, give it a hit.
So boys, as you can see, that's another vlog down on this S63. So we did an exhaust today, as you can see throughout the video. And there's going to be some final touches left on this S63 before it's finished and ready for the owner. So stay tuned.